Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to see the Google Meet history in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we just need to go to the Google Meet website, and as you can see here guys on the Google Meet dashboard. Okay, so for us to see the call history or the meeting history. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, is you can actually go to these calls. Okay, so as you can see, guys, these are the recent or the this is my call history, guys. Okay, so 3 weeks ago, I was contacting with or communicating with Kent. And also guys, in the other hand guys, you can also check or export your history guys by clicking this one guys, call history, and you if you want to export it you can do that guys. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to know or to to get notifications from our YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching.